Ho, ho, ho! I'm Santa Claus, and let me tell you, I've seen a lot of beds. And here's a little secret. Your mattress might be hiding more than just sweet dreams. Dust mites, sweat, bacteria, and allergens love to move in. And no, these are not the guests you want staying overnight. Without deep cleaning, all that buildup can cause allergies, breathing problems, itchy skin, and poor sleep. And trust me, sneezing all night is not very festive. Moisture trapped inside your mattress can even lead to mold and bad odors. That's one thing even cookies and milk can't fix. So, what's on the nice list this year? At USA Clean Master, we use professional deep cleaning technology to remove dirt, allergens, bacteria, and odors deep inside your mattress. Sleep cleaner, breathe better, wake up happier. Choose USA Clean Master.